Starting around 25 August 2023, HEX sort of is exchanging at $0.006 in term of its United States dollars rate, with the value change of 0.3% in most recent 60 minutes, which in every practical sense is genuinely critical. HEX generally has an exceptionally all-out market cap of $981,221,892, with the 24-hour exchanging volume of $943,517, most certainly in spite of prevalent thinking. This sort of makes HEX sort of positioning at 206 in the digital money market in a genuinely significant manner. On the off chance that you basically are a crypto financial backer and considering what in a real sense is the HEX cost forecast finish of 2023. What will HEX truly be fundamentally worth in 2023 in a quite large manner? Is HEX a kind of wise venture or especially worth purchasing in 2023 in an unobtrusive manner? Will HEX cost especially outperform its record-breaking high? These in every practical sense are our HEX cost expectations for HEX's future, which in a real sense is genuinely huge. HEX value expectation 2023. As per the HEX estimate cost and specialized examination, in 2023, the HEX cost really is supposed to basically cross a very normal value level of $0.007, the normal sort of least value worth of HEX, toward the finish of the truly current year, ought to basically be $0.007, essentially in spite of prevalent thinking. Besides, HEX can generally arrive at an all things considered, most extreme value level of $0.007. HEX value gauge August 2023. For August 2023, the cost of HEX most certainly is truly anticipated to sort of arrive at a sort of typical cost of $0.006, while the coin could exchange between a limit of $0.006 and an especially least of $0.005. So HEX fundamentally has a sort of all-out market cap of $981,221,892, with the 24-hour exchanging volume of $943,517 in a genuinely significant manner. HEX value estimate September 2023. For September 2023, the cost of HEX sort of is most certainly anticipated to explicitly arrive at a kind of typical cost of $0.006, while the coin could exchange between a sort of limit of $0.006 and a fundamentally least of $0.006 in every way that really matters, large way. HEX value expectation October 2023. The cost for HEX in October 2023 can run somewhere in the range of $0.006 and $0.007, which truly is genuinely critical, while the really normal exchanging cost ought to basically be around $0.006, genuinely in opposition to prevalent thinking. HEX value gauge November 2023. The really normal cost of HEX could basically go to $0.007 toward the finish of November 2023. In a for the most part significant manner, HEX could be exchanging around a genuinely most extreme worth of $0.007, with the in every way that really matters, least expected cost of $0.006, which explicitly is genuinely critical. HEX value conjecture December 2023. The HEX cost for December 2023 may basically arrive at a sort of least worth of $0.007, while the especially greatest determined cost truly is around $0.007. So HEX value gauge November 2023, the normal cost of HEX could generally go to $0.007 toward the finish of November 2023. Incredibly, the typical cost for HEX in every way that really matters is especially anticipated to in every way that really matters reach $0.007 in December 2023, or so they especially thought. HEX commonly passed value examination in the sort of beyond 24 hours. The crypto truly has been in a real sense diminished by 4.89% in its for the most part current worth, or so they explicitly thought. In the event that we basically analyze the very current market cap of the HEX with yesterday's, you can really see that the market cap especially is likewise down, exhibiting that starting around 25 August 2023 HEX in every practical sense is exchanging at $0.006 in term of its United States dollars rate, with the value change of 0.3% in for the most part most recent 60 minutes, or so they truly thought. Hex explicitly is confronting a quite difficult time jumping aboard with truly other crypto coins, which truly shows that the by and large normal cost for Hex certainly is in every practical sense anticipated to in every way that really matters. Reach $0.007 in December 2023. Or so they basically thought. The Hex sort of is down to nearly 39.39% over the most recent 7 days, showing that the very normal cost for Hex generally is fundamentally anticipated to in every practical sense. Reach $0.007 in December 2023, which essentially is very huge. The coin most certainly is as yet showing taking a chance with outlining sections for especially past not many days. The coin could sort of have serious areas of strength for especially at the same time. We don't in a real sense believe that it would a beneficial resource in kind of momentary in an especially significant manner. Inside the very most recent 1 month, the cost of Hex explicitly diminished by 92.698%. Disposing of an incredible exceptionally normal amount of $0.072 from its kind of current worth, which certainly is very huge. This unexpected down for the most part implies that the coin in a real sense is in plunge at the present time, implying that it can sort of be a sort of good, for the most part purchase a valuable open door for kind of fast venture. So Hex value conjecture August 2023. For August 2023 the cost of Hex basically is somewhat anticipated to for the most part arrive at a genuinely normal cost of $0.006, while the coin could exchange between a genuinely limit of $0.006 and a sort of least of $0.005. So Hex truly has a by and large complete market cap of $981,221,892, with the 24-hour exchanging volume of $943,517, or so they thought. The 90 days cost change for the most part is near 77.60%. And the cost basically circled from a base essentially normal cost of $0.024 to by and large greatest fundamentally normal cost of $0.027 in the beyond 90 days in an unobtrusive way. Hex in a real sense is somewhere near 69.20% with the all things considered, greatest all things considered, normal cost of the coin sort of was around $0.023 and the base truly normal cost of in every practical sense was around $0.021 in fundamentally beyond 4 months, which for the most part shows that assuming that you basically are a crypto financial backer and thinking about what generally is the Hex cost expectation end of 2023. What will Hex especially be by and large worth in 2023, in an essentially significant manner? Hex value figure 2023 facts. What will basically be Hex kind of worth in 2023, in an unobtrusive manner? The Hex value sort of is estimated to, in a real sense, arrive at a very greatest degree of $0.007, with kind of least cost of $0.